YouTube, it's Solid Chocolate Bunny. That's solid, not hollow. Today I'm just doing a review on the CVS 321236 Electric Chocolate Dipper. Great chocolate fondue, by the way. The components come in 3 parts. The aluminum heating element, the ceramic inner pot, and the lid. How you get them together is you put the ceramic inner pot in the aluminum heating element and put the lid on top. Two pots. One is smaller than the other, but you can figure it out real easy. You just drop it in. It's not that hard. Second off, the cord. It's kind of wimpy. I'd recommend to buy an extension cord. Fourth off, I think I missed third off, but oh well. Fourth off, the aluminum pot comes with 2 plastic handles. One on the right, one on the left for easy maneuvering. See? And the red light, it lights up when it's on, but it's not lighting up because it's not plugged in. Nicely decorated label on the front, especially for chocolate covered lovers. See it? And the safety cap for the cord is right here. Safety cap. Now off. Plug it in. Melt chocolate. Thanks for watching, YouTube.